Good day all. Our presentation deals with how persons interact with the Apple iPhone. Our group members are Jehu, Antoine, Jason Langley, Keston Jack, and Samuel Surughlal. The Apple iPhone is one of the best-selling mobile phones around the world. It combines the features of a mobile phone, wireless internet capabilities, and an iPod into one compact device. It also runs a version of Apple's Mac OS X operating system called iOS. It has also overcome many of the problems faced by its other smartphone competitors. Problems such as being very slow and bug-ridden. The question we ask ourselves is, how do people really use the iPhone, and for what reasons? To answer this question, we need to understand how people interact with the iPhone platform, what are the usability issues, where does it excel and where it does not. Some of the tasks observed that people use the iPhone to do are as follows. Make and keep track of appointments, events using the calendar app, play games, watch movies, take photos, etc. Use apps such as Fiddler to keep current on news and other topics of interest. Communicate via IM and websites such as Facebook and Twitter. In a nutshell, people use the iPhone for more of its computer uses, such as having internet access and using various apps more than its iPhone uses. The iPhone is pretty much easy to use for its intended purpose of basically a computer/phone in one. Most users tend to use the computer part of the device much more than that of the phone uses. But in the end, the device has well done covered both categories. In the computing category, you have lots of applications, podcasts, email, etc. available to you. In the phone category, you have your usual phone operations, such as making and receiving calls, etc. Our observation method used was observing two custard students while they were operating the device and then followed up with an interview about their experience with it. This involved one male 22 years and a female 21 years, both pursuing a bachelor degree in computer science. Users display a sense of excitement from their first time using the phone. They also showed a sense of contentment and pleased with the functionality of the product. One user seemed to look uninterested with the functionality of the device after a period of time, probably due to their interaction previously with similar products. Results of this observation: upon using the device, users operated the phone pretty efficiently, even the ones using it for the first time. Users found the multi-touchscreen element of the iPhone to be very responsive. First-time users found that the iOS was very easy to use, learn, and understand. Analysis. Apple's approach has always been to create products from a user's perspective. Users who use the iPhone for the first time fared pretty well using it very efficiently. Maybe that is why it doesn't come with a manual, because the iOS is very dumbed down, literally anyone can use it, probably even a baby. The multi-touchscreen element is also very easy to use. In terms of tasks that were harder to complete, some users with large fingers found that a touch keyboard was a bit too hard to type with, because keys were not spaced enough. Even when using it in landscape mode, which literally turns the whole interface into a mini pad. One of the biggest advantages between both the iPhone and the Android, the iPhone is only limited to one choice. The screen of the iPhone is 3.5 inches, compared to that of an Android screen ranging 2.8 to 4 inches. The iPhone also has better quality and image resolution. Although the iPhone is the thinnest phone currently out the market with very stylish finish, the screen size at least 3.5 inches make web browsing, movie watching, and gaming a bit uncomfortable. In conclusion, the iPhone is very efficient in that you can switch between apps without any lag time. The multi-touchscreen is very responsive too simple and easy to do finger movements. What is also great about it is that you can also update the iOS. There is not much bad about the iPhone to talk about. It's simply the most amazing phone yet. Thank you, and this has been our presentation on the Apple iPhone and how persons interact with it.